Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to check stories on TikTok. So please open the TikTok app on this Android device. So now what you will have to move in the inbox section. You will see is the inbox button. You will just type in the inbox button. So in the inbox section you will see the all stories of your friends and followers. So you will see in the top is the all your friends and your follower stories. You can watch it one by one. So in the TikTok, if you want to see the stories, you will move in the inbox and you will see the stories. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.